Hey everybody, welcome. Just a little promo here for the upcoming class in October on nonprofits versus for-profits business. This is kind of sort of going to be, is it a hobby or is it not type class? So I know all of you out there who do individual returns run into this question at some point or another. Well, is it a business or is it a hobby, and how long can we make it a business before they audit it and say it's a hobby? Those kinds of things. We're going to talk about all of that stuff. We are going to run through, the IRS has a 9-factor test to determine if somebody meets the qualifications of being a business under IRC 162. So for the for-profit side of things, we're going to run in detail through all 9 of those tests. We're going to talk about how to report things. Since this is not a Schedule C class, we're going to run through all our tests, and then we're going to make the assumption that we have decided that the business is not a for-profit, it is a hobby. We're going to talk about how to report those incomes, how we can use various things to net out of that, what deductions we can and cannot take. We're going to spend a little bit of time talking about the TCJA impact on hobbies, because it had a really big impact on hobbies. On the other hand, we don't want to get completely out of the pre-TCJA rules, because unless something changes between now and then, the end of next year, we flip back to TCJA, pre-TCJA rules. So we're going to talk about that, talk about record keeping, documentation, substantiation, and just give a really good overview. We're going to mention some court cases that you can look up. You'll have a handout and your slides. I look forward to seeing all of y'all here when we do this webinar at the end of October.